Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you guys how to upload videos to YouTube Shorts. What you need to do is open up YouTube, go right here where the plus sign is at, go to create a short, and then from here you can create a video from your camera, or you can select a video that's already been recorded. Like, let's say I'm just going to put this one in there, click next, and then it's just like TikTok. You can choose music, any music you want. Now this is still progress. It's not as good as TikTok, to be honest, but it's getting there. It's each day it's getting better and better with the updates, and I think this eventually is gonna take over. And right now I think they're offering a lot of money for creators that join and do it. I think it's like 100 million for the top creators, which is a lot. So yeah, hope this video helps you guys out. If it did, give it a like and a subscribe, and I hope, or let's keep going right here. Let's see what's next. Then it's gonna just ask you to put a title, and then I think it's just title and upload. Easy as that, guys. Hope this helps you guys out. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later.